Baby, we're just a phone call away.
Anything you need, you have our numbers.
Yes.
But don't call after 10 p.m. because we'll probably be asleep.
I love you guys so much.
Do you remember when we went in a 98-cent store?
You were craving Baby Ruth.
8 months later, along came our little Rachel.
Sorry, guys, gotta hook it up.
I'll send a payment in a few days. Our daughter doesn't know at all about this. I just need a little more time.
So all this started with one mistake.
I started a medical company, and it's been bad dominoes ever since.
Having a yard sale?
No, Bert. Our living room puked all over our yard.
Don't pay any attention to him. He's bad drunk.
I need to ask you for more money.
It's not that hard to watch my house.
You're supposed to be looking after his property. What's next? You're gonna rent it out?
Rent out his house?
There was a rental ad for this house on Craigslist, but no one's answering the doorbell.
6 months in advance.
Entire year of Rachel's tuition.
I think he was sent from God.
As a new neighbor, I'm legally required to tell you that I'm a registered sex offender.
Come again? I did not see that coming. You either move into our house or you're back on the street because you cannot stay here.
We're homeless.
You guys have your work cut out for you.
That's what I've been trying to tell him.
You come in my house, you like that? I'm sorry, my gosh, did you change your hair?
Hey, you made it. That was a trip.
Delightful.
What is going on? Nancy, are you naked? No, I'm not naked. It's a sham. You remember that I used to win.
That Spanx over tight?
Yes, I'm double spanking.
You suck at this crime stuff.
Get on the ground now!
Hi, Frank.
Hey. If you get away from the door! Who are you?
I'm Plumber.
We're locked in.
Where's my stuff? What have you done with my closet?
I made it into a panic room.
Okay, now I like this part.